Best electric bikes reviews. Number 1. Anchior electric bike. Strong body, the fork is made of carbon steel and the handlebar is made from aluminum alloy. This makes the bike lightweight yet very sturdy. These metals can take heavy weights as well as rough terrain, and has adjustable seat/handbar angle/stems length set, thus making this an apt mountain bike. Number 2. Electric mountain bikes. Intelligent power system from the automotive hybrid technology, to achieve the perfect combination of power and physical fitness. Power fast drive. Cutoff is also very sensitive. Swagtron EB6 Bandit e-bike. E-powered, choose between pedaling manually or use the electric motor for a little extra boost on this kid's electric fat tire mountain bike. Number 4. Dankra bike. Mini 3-key controller. 20 colors and 19 modes, 5 flicker speed and adjustable brightness. The controller has a memory function that allows you to continue running your favorite settings after restarting. Number 5. Jetson electric bike. Recommended age, 3+ motion activated lights, lights up as you pedal, no battery needed.